Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I decided that I was gonna didn't mean to do that. I decided I was gonna use the GoPro. It's been a while since I used the GoPro, so I was like, yeah, let me go and get some GoPro footage. Lord have mercy. So y'all want to hear something interesting about my Q60? Hey, I know. When I turn on my AC or my heater, the car won't blow hot air until it's in L mode. I have to be in L mode for my heat to be consistent. But if I'm in drive, it just it does what it wants. It gets cold, it gets hot, it's whatever. But nah, guys, I know I'm a bit late, but Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas. I'm late. It's been hard out here, guys, I ain't gonna lie. Excuse me. Work-wise. Your boy's been trying to make it work, but he is mentally, physically, emotionally strained. Just cause work has been crazy. Ooh, y'all heard that pop? I'm gonna see if I could get a decent launch as long as there's no popo around. But yeah, guys, I hope everyone's been doing good. I know we're in the first couple weeks of the new year, but yeah, man, I hope everyone's doing good. I'm just trying to make it work, help where I can family wise, while pursuing my dreams of building cars, hopefully being an independent YouTuber one day. That man doing a lift in a loud car. Nice. I respect it. Let me have some fun. As y'all see, hopefully y'all can see, turned off traction control. I don't got my lady in here. She hates when I do this. But I'm gonna take off at the light. Ooh. That was nice. Fishtailed a little bit. So guys, my biggest flaw with this car right now is that I need better tires. So when I was guesstimating the size of the wheel I should run, I wanted to be safe, but I wanted to have good fitment too, of course. You know, when you buy wheels, that's a large purchase. So I bought 19 by 9.5s, I think, plus like 35s or something like that. I don't remember the offset, but it's 19 by 9.5. Me being me, I'm thinking, all right, it'll be good enough. It'll get me by. And boy, I was wrong. So if y'all don't know the Q60 Red Sports, it comes stock with 400 horsepower. That's a lot of power coming from the Malibu. And me, I'm thinking, oh, I'll have enough grip, I'll be fine, it won't be no biggie. Granted, these tires are not the best. They're like an all-season type of tire. I need more wheel though. So what I should have did is listen to my boy. I'm gonna give him his credit when credit's due. I always do with all my people. I should have listened to my boy Shock and went 10.5s. 19 by 10.5s would have been perfect. I would have been good. And if y'all are watching this, I'm gonna go ahead and spoil the news because I haven't posted on Instagram. Only my close friends and family know about it. So this car got its first sponsor. That's pretty lit because of the sponsor. Your boy's going bags on this Q60 because I was going to go BC coilovers if I did go coilovers. I saw some on Marketplace. It was a steal of a deal, but and it was coming off of a Q60, so you know. That would have been a good come up because y'all know BCs go for 1,000 plus. But basically, I got a full sponsorship. They're sending me out the whole air suspension 3P kit. AirTech is the people that are sponsoring this car, and I love it because I had them on my Malibu. And if y'all, the OGs know, I sold all the Malibu parts. I sold all the parts, but I kept the management, the controller, the wiring, all that for the what's it called? the Malibu, but I sold one of my friends up in New Jersey the air struts. Those were AirTech air struts. Super good, no complaints about them at all. I did nothing but love them. So this car will be back soon, hopefully by Team Tensei. Look at that moon, it's a full moon. What y'all think? Woo, 120. I love this car, guys. All my cars, I got a different appreciation for all of them. Even though I was about to sell the Eclipse, it's mainly because I'm not a fan of having cars just sit. So it goes out of the way for me to go to work, trade cars, and go get the Eclipse, and then all the other stuff. And then where I'm staying at right now, it's not the best roads for the Eclipse. So the car would sit. But I'm gonna just have to get a better battery. That's the next thing for the Eclipse. Battery. Battery is definitely needed because the little itty bitty battery that I got now, it ain't working. Your boy got to run an errand for his lady. Got to go to Walmart. Wow, you definitely ran that stop sign, bud. I promise you, North Carolina and Florida drivers, the worst. Absolutely the worst. But yeah, so that's what I got going on with the Q60. So that everything for Team Tensei I got. All the parts I wanted for Team Tensei, damn, could have parked right there. I got, I want, we're good. But for the Eclipse is also good. Literally got everything I wanted for the Eclipse. It's just honestly a waiting game. I'm gonna turn right here. I got everything I want for the Eclipse. The only thing that could top it is getting actual air struts that I want, the AirTech air struts. They said that they could give me a good deal on those too. So that's absolutely what I need. I'm gonna park right here. It's gonna be a quick. And the Malibu, I got everything. All I need is headlights and wheels. You know, that's me and Rebecca's his and hers build that we're gonna do with that. This car, I just want a steering wheel, starlights. That's all I want on the interior. I already got the radio. I saw a dash. This car coming from the Malibu has so much stuff. They got a different aftermarket dash that I could run in this. And boy, I want it so bad, but I gotta see. It's one of those purchases like, do you actually need it or want it? Like, it'll make it look good though. But let me run in this store, guys, and I'll be right back. Well, I am back, my fellow car enthusiasts. Alright. Boy, it's all discombobulated. Let's see. Definitely move this now. I forgot where I left off, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I haven't did a POV of this car, and I've been wanting one. I've been wanting rollers. Sheesh. These HKS blow-off valves, nice. The sad thing is though, they may be leaving the chat because apparently the rumor is okay. The rumor is that when you get a tune on this car, sorry, my mind is everywhere. When you get a tune on this car, basically the HKS blow-off valves are not reliable. So with that being said, it's just all bad. all bad, and may end up getting rid of them. I don't want to. I love the whistling noise. That's the whole reason why I like turbo cars. But if I got to do it for the pursuit of, I want 600. But if I could get in the 500s, I'd be happy with that too. I'd be happy with 500 also. Is that Toyota really trying to race me? That's crazy. Mr. Toyota, you're not faster than me, sir. I'm tired of people. But yeah, this car sounds so good. I've been trying to figure out what exhausts I want, because all I got is an axle back, and I want to run a 3-inch exhaust. I want to run a 3-inch exhaust so bad, but the issue is that's a lot of money. Everything for this car is pretty much expensive, so I got to plan accordingly to buy it. The hood, fenders, and all that carbon goodies that I got so far, straight blessing, because I found it online on Marketplace. Met a dude with a sick Q60. His car fast, just know that. If I could get a video right along with them, I'll definitely be recording that. But yeah, so I'm just yapping, guys. I ain't gonna lie, that's what this whole video is going to be about. It's me yapping, because I haven't did a POV in a while. It's been a hot minute. Last time I did it, I was doing security, and I was in a Malibu before it was bagged, so that should tell you how long it's been. But other than that, guys, just a quick recap, and then I'm gonna end the video. Basically, the Malibu, done. Exterior is done. Everything else for the Malibu at this point is either engine mods or interior mods. I got the car where I want it, so that's a blessing. Got the car where I want it. I'm happy. I'll be content with it exterior wise. I gotta talk to HBC about a couple body panels. Sorry, your boy got the hiccups. Gotta talk to HBC about a couple body panels that are chipping. But other than that, that car is my dream Eclipse. It would be my dream Eclipse if it was red, but shoot, I'm not gonna argue with white, especially carbon white. It undefeated match right there. So yeah, interior and engine mods, or engine swap, I should say. The Malibu, basically done. I'm not doing nothing to the interior unless my mother finances those parts. You know, she wants to do something, because I'm gonna just let her use it until she gets her own car. I'm in no rush for that car. I got 3, so that means that 2 of the 3 are gonna be sitting throughout the week, especially with work. So other than headlights and wheels, which I'm trying to find the wheels on Marketplace for a steel, which I found some, but they're not in the specs I want, so that's the scary part for me. So with that being said, it's just wheels and headlights. I got everything else. In this car, exterior wise, I basically got everything. The only thing I'm not content with is the fitment. Obviously, I just told you guys I want to do 10.5s all around. I mean, I know it's a rear wheel drive car, so staggered is good too, but I just like squared. Square setups are the best fitment wise setups in my opinion. So I want to do that. There's so much salt. All this is salt on the road. I gotta wash this car soon, because this is crazy. But yeah, so I just got the wheels. Wheel fitment, and that's it on the exterior. Honestly, I got everything else. I need another front lip. I completely destroyed my front lip accidentally. It's 2 pieces, but it looks like it's a 1, so I may get one before Team Tensei because it came in fast the last time. And then other than that, it's exterior or interior. And I do want to do a wrap. I got 2 colors in mind. I'm arguing with myself between both. I'm not gonna lie. I got 2 colors in mind. But other than that, cool. Dang, what happened up there? I see white and blue lights. Take advantage. This car pulls in 3rd gear, 2nd and 3rd. Dang, I wonder what happened up there. It's gonna be nuts, guys. But yeah, so got all that going on with this car. Interior wise, I just want steering wheel, starlights, I'm good. Maybe seats. I was looking at the Nismo GTR seats, and the problem with those is people want like $3K for something for me to put my booty in. I'm not a fan of that. I don't know, guys. It was a lot of money for lug nuts, but I wanted them. I wanted dang, his neck. This car grabbed so much more attention than the Malibu did. The Malibu grabbed attention because it was unique. Everyone practically knows what this car is, and so when you do see it, it's just like, dang, that looks good. Like, this car is still rare. People build Q50s more than Q60s. I guess it's mainly because weight-wise, the Q50s are lighter, which is funny because those are 4-door and these are 2-door. But hey, what do I know, right? I think the Q60s look better, but the Q50s can look better than Q60s. It just depends on how everything's built, you know. Potholes. Yeah, we're definitely going to go be nosy. Look at that car in the mirror. Oh yeah. They thought about changing the mirrors out. That's something else I meant to say. Thinking about changing the mirror caps out to the normal basic Q60 style. Cause I like the M style, but I don't think it's going with what I got going on. So I thought about taking them off. Taking them off, call it a day, cut my losses. I mean, the caps were only $100, so that's not too bad. But definitely, I did wanna. Once y'all see the design of the steering wheel I want to do, y'all gonna love it. It's gonna be different. I haven't seen no Q60s with it yet, so that's another reason. And other than that, I mean, the Q60 I'm loving. It's all stock. I mean, intakes, blow-off valves. I don't know if it's tuned or not. I don't think it is. I refuse to believe it is. Because it's just, if it was tuned, I feel like it'd be faster. I'm going street, I think. I don't know. But yeah, definitely going to do power mods, of course. Got a fast car, you know. Your boy's low-key a part of the fast boy life now, so gotta be a little quicker. So definitely want to do that. And other than that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this is my 2nd time recording this, because it was supposed to be 3 parts, but one of the parts, it kept breaking up because I was trying to Bluetooth with my phone and make sure that the view was good. So hopefully it's good. I mean, I don't see why not. I'm gonna do one last pull for you guys. Let's see. God dang, boy. I love this car. Sheesh. I love this car. All my cars got different appreciations. Eclipse, childhood dream car, Malibu. This is what put me into the game of building cars, really, for real, honestly. And then this car, just because it's fast. And it's the closest thing I'm gonna get to a GTR at the current moment. So, alright guys, peace out. And I'll catch you on the next video. I don't know what it's gonna be, but yeah. Trying to put content out, but just waiting on parts, guys. Y'all know how that is. So, peace.